Okay, so you will want to be in Google Chrome browser for these if that is possible for you. So the first thing you'll do is click Google Chrome, which I already have one tab open for that. So Google Chrome will pull up Google for you. You can go in through Gmail or click here to log in. I have already logged into the student account for you. So this is what it will look like when you first pull that screen up. Now you will not see all of these other classes. You will only see second grade classes, which will look about like this. So every morning you're going to log on and go directly to second grade daily to-do list. This is where you will see everything that you need to do for that day. That way everything is there for you to check off of your list, and you'll know which classrooms to go through. You will not have to go to every classroom every day. So please come here first. When there is a new assignment posted, you will just click onto that. You see already this morning that Ms. Chisholm has uploaded a video for you to complete, and hopefully you were able to get to that. Any video that you need to watch, you will just click on it and it'll take you directly to YouTube or whatever that has been on. You can mark this as finished if you want, and then you can also privately comment on this activity. So to go back to all of your classes, you can either click here and go to classes, or you can scroll down and go to whichever class that you want to go to. So we're just going to go back to the main screen of the daily to-do list. So here's your stream. This was where you'll see everything. If you click on classwork, that just shows you the classwork for that day. So this is classwork for Monday the 23rd. You'll see classwork for Tuesday the 24th, and so forth. This tab shows you the people. You can message them, the teachers as well. If you go to the Google Apps, you will see if you need to get back through to your classroom or your Gmail, but this is not how you get back to your main screen of all your classes. So you will want to go here again and see all of your classes that are there. So let's say it said to go to Bible. You'll click on Bible and you see here our first lesson will not actually begin until Monday, March 30th, but classwork is what you would click, and that would show what you have coming up for that. So going back out, I know that Miss Chisholm has put a just for fun activity, so we'll go to that and I'll show you how to do a Google form if you have not done that already. So here's your stream, and you see that she's posted a new assignment. You could also go to classwork and just see the specific assignment. So we clicked on that, and she said if you want to, you don't have to. All of these are going to be just for fun on this page. So you want to complete the form, you just will click on the form right there. It'll open a new tab for you. Notice your email address is required. You have to put that in. It will not let you submit the form without putting your email in there. So this email is, I believe, I'm just going to go here and copy it. Oop. All right, so is the game blah, blah, blah. You can put anything here. Same for this, same for this. I want to go to ACA. You will not use a measuring tape for measuring milk, but it will let you select that if that's what you chose. And then you submit at the end. You could, some of these will allow you to submit another response, and some of them will not allow you to do that. Once you have submitted it, you can open your assignment. Nope, it won't let you do that. Some of them will allow you to look at other people's responses if your teacher has allowed you to do that there. So going back out of it, you could just click exit and it'll bring you back to that screen. Going back to classes, again, they are all here for you to view. Math, there's nothing until Wednesday the 25th. And that's basically how you get around on Google Classroom on a desktop.